I am so excited to show you the before and after. I treated this foliage plant for maybe 6 weeks ago with the Tropical Liquid Miracle-Gro fertilizer. All you do is squirt 2 squirts of the liquid into the top of the soil and then follow with water. So there's no mixing involved, there's no powders, it's handy and easy to use. And I've had it for a month and a half, and I think I still have maybe just a little under half of the bottle still left. So you don't use much of it, so it goes a long way unless you have a lot of tropicals. But look at the size of this leaf. It's insane. And the plant is looking so happy and so healthy. So I'm using this on all of my flowering and non-flowering tropical plants, and they are so happy. And I live in the dry desert, so that should tell you something about how well this is nourishing the plant. Because typically in a dry environment, it's really hard for these plants to actually thrive and do well. And they're doing great. So I really am happy that I gave this a try. There are 5 different versions of it. So I have one for my succulents. There's also one for indoor plants. So you could actually purchase the ones that fit your need. Here, I wanted to show you the hibiscus that I treated. Look at the size of this flower and how brilliant it is. So this tropical is loving the nourishment as well. I'll show you my other tropicals. This is a double hibiscus that I have, and look at that, how pretty. And this is one of my favorites, the Mandevilla. It's another tropical vine, and the flowers are just gorgeous, waxy hot pink, and the plant is so happy. The Canna is just going wild. It's got so many blossoms. I've got it in red, and then this beautiful coral. The tropical one actually has more nitrogen in it than it does phosphate and potash, and so that helps with the leaf growth. And it's so convenient because it's already diluted into the liquid, so there's no powders or any mixing involved. You literally put 2 pumps into the plant and right on top of the soil, and then you can follow it with water. Or you can actually put this into your watering jug. So if you have 1 quart, you would put 4 squirts of these into the water, and then you would water the plant as is. So it's very convenient to use, super easy, and the plants love them. I'm like so happy. My yard is so lush, and like living in this desert, that's really hard to accomplish because the air is so dry. But because the nutrients are being taken up from underneath in the soil in the root system, the plants are very happy. So I highly recommend the products. They're doing great wonder. I guess that's why they call it Miracle-Gro.